Good morning, guys. It's Daisy Tito. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, I'm just heading out to the last VBS today, so that's what we are doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done VBS.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Hey guys, so, there's a cruiser. Somebody got pulled over, but, that's not really kind of good. I don't know why, but he did. Oh, she. Looks like he. But I'm not going to be judgmental for that. But, before, I'll show you guys what, later on what we did. We took down some decorations. We're going to take some decorations after VBS, so that's what we are doing after, in case you guys see what's going on. Also, it's going to be fun because we get pizza. We also, like, afterwards, we get take down decorations. When we later on, after the closing ceremony, the parents can stay for freezies and juice, and that's a good opportunity to be outreach to the people around us, the parents, the kids, and also the grandparents too, or whoever the guardian angel is, or whoever the guardian person is, to make sure they look after us. So that's what we do after Vacation Bible School, to make sure. And we also help the kids make sure they get all the buses, because we always give $5 gift card to, if they can say the buses. Some we are leaning on it, like kind of skipping on it, but some we are trying to encourage them to save perfectly. So that's what we do for it. So that's really amazing. A lot of kids are going to get gift cards this year. Probably most of them will try, unless if they don't know it and they don't really want to try it. But most of them will get gift card. So I will talk to you guys when I am done the VBS, the final VBS.
Right now, you guys, I'm just doing a little bit of shopping, so that's what I'm doing for baked potatoes. That's pretty cool and exciting, so I'll talk to you guys when I am shopping. You guys, so I will talk to you guys when I am done work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. Today's video, you guys, but before I do, I'm going to go pack, and I'm going on a trip, so I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Good. Bye.